Are your Oracle database application failing because of the Oracle Call Interface DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before the technical guide for Oracle Call Interface, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Oracle Call Interface. It provides the core runtime used by applications to communicate with Oracle databases. It manages connection negotiation, SQL execution, and result handling. If missing, enterprise software may fail database operations and produce errors such as array 154 or other OCI runtime failures. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like Oracle Call Interface DLL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Oracle Call Interface file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Oracle Call Interface DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing Oracle Call Interface and maintaining system stability. Thank you for trusting us with Oracle Call Interface Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.